My journal presentation 4 is titled Meeting Learning Needs of Children with Autism Spectrum Disorder in Elementary Education. The author is Sally Partlow, presented by Erica Anderson. Overview of the article theory. In a school district in the Southeast, students with autism spectrum disorder, ASD, are taught by general education teachers that are not trained in special education to appropriately meet the needs of these students. A qualitative study was conducted to provide information to district administrators with suggestions for the development of interventions that could be implemented by general education teachers to help them to meet the learning needs of their students with ASD. Data was collected through interview and analysis with the use of provisional and pattern coding. Results from the study found 6 highlighted areas of need and used result information to create a 3-day training program to support general education teachers' instruction of students with ASD. Author's perspective. There is a clear problem in many school districts where students with ASD are placed in general education classroom settings with general education teachers that are not adequately prepared to meet the learning needs of the students with ASD. Providing teachers with appropriate instructional support, along with the findings of the study, will positively influence social change by increasing student academic achievement. Professional development, PD, is essential to the quality of teaching and improvement of student success. Professional development gives teachers the opportunity to learn new strategies and techniques and gain resources for implementation of quality instruction. My reaction. I found this article to be very informative and presenting of a familiar problem. Many school districts are currently dealing with, or will be dealing with in the near future, students with ASD being placed into general education classroom settings with teachers that are not prepared to instruct or meet the educational needs of these students. I really liked how the study highlighted the 6 areas of need as individual support and service, academic, structured environment, communication and language, disciplinary, and teachers' perceptions of needed supports and resources. The creation of a 3-day training program as a result of the findings was a great solution. Professional development, PD, is a great way to provide teachers with materials, support, and resources needed to implement effective instruction and practices for students with ASD in a general education classroom setting. Implications to practice. Attending professional development trainings provided by the district to support curriculum and instruction, and choosing trainings that provide resources to better meet the educational needs of the students that I teach is one way that I can make changes within my own educational practices. Also, having open lines of communication with families and other teachers that work with my students with ASD will ensure that we're all on the same page and working collaboratively to adequately meet the needs of my students with ASD within the general education classroom setting. This journal article also reminded me that as an educator, I need to be mindful of all areas of the child and provide more than just academic support, but other areas as well, such as emotional support, communication, disciplinary, and even the environment in which the children are able to learn. References: Meeting Learning Needs of Children with Autism Spectrum Disorder in Elementary Education. Sally Partlow, Walden University, ProQuest, Dissertations Publishing, 2018, 10685928.